Hello, and welcome back to another video on daily weather charts. These videos diagnose the current weather pattern and then discuss how it will play out for the upcoming day. Today's charts are valid for June 11th, 2023. And before we go into the video, the Storm Prediction Center is forecasting severe weather for Sunday, June 11th. So let's look at the current severe weather outlook. And for Sunday, and I'll have a forecast video posted on the morning of June 11th, going into more detail on the setup. But for now, we're going to go just look at the convective outlook. And this was issued Saturday afternoon. And this will be updated again probably by the time you're seeing this. So these graphics may look a little bit different. And I'll have an updated post for tomorrow showing that. So the severe weather outlook for right now is showing a slight risk of severe weather. This is the standard level 2 out of 5 risk from Arkansas over into North Alabama and Nashville, Tennessee, and Southwest Kentucky. And also another risk of severe weather on the back end of the storm system over Colorado, Texas, and Oklahoma panhandles. And this is primarily for damaging winds and large hail. But there is also a small tornado risk. There may be a few storms that may try to produce a tornado or two over Arkansas, northern Mississippi, and West Tennessee, and again over on the western high plains. And again, I just wanted to go over this briefly to show that we do have a threat of severe thunderstorms for this weekend. And I'll have a video posted a little bit later to go into more detail on that severe weather threat. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe, and we'll get started. So the water vapor imagery for today shows a subtle upper level low swirling over the Ozarks today. And this is helping to develop a cluster of thunderstorms that developed in East Texas several hours ago, and that has produced damaging winds over 70 miles per hour and large hail. Radar overnight is showing these storms that are slowly winding down as they push to the south and east over here. And we did have a cluster of storms that moved through the deep south a little bit earlier. Those have since dissipated, probably by the time you're seeing this, and since they are running out of the better moisture and instability. But that is going to be creeping back to the southeast as we go through the day on Sunday. And we'll show that here in just a minute. But now switching to the upper air maps for today, at 300 millibars, the jet stream is located over Baja California for the most part, but we do have some enhanced flow over the southern plains, and the upper level low is situated over the central United States, helping to cause the severe weather threat this weekend. And looking at 500 millibars, we do have a subtle shortwave in the flow over the Ozarks, and that is also visible at 700 millibars as well here. And then at 850 millibars, we have broad cyclonic flow over the central United States with some enhanced flow around Louisiana and Arkansas of about 20 to 25 knots that is gradually bringing the maritime tropical air mass, that is the warm and humid air mass, back to the southeastern United States. At the surface for today, this is showing an organized storm system organizing over Arkansas and Missouri with a surface low developing, and that is dragging a warm front down through the deep south and southeast, and that is going to be lifting to the northeast over the next 24 hours. And that is helping to bring 70-degree dew points back into places like Jackson, Mississippi, Birmingham, and Huntsville, eventually into Huntsville and North Alabama. And that is going to help set the stage for additional round of storms later on the day, Sunday. Then back in Texas, we have the dry line that is set up over central Texas, and that has helped to initiate the severe weather for today. And then back to the north, we have a cold front that's going to be surging to the south, and that the warm front, the low pressure with the attendant warm front, and the cold front are going to be consolidating into one storm system, into one frontal system. And as this system tracks to the northeast across the Ohio Valley. And so that's going to cover it all for today. I'll have another video posted that is going to go into more detail and go over some more observational data for the severe weather threat on Sunday. And that's going to cover it all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.